Hi, I'm Larry Berman and welcome to my weekly market update and outlook. With 75% of large cap tech earnings already in the bag and the FANG stocks basically knocking it out of the park, there's an awful lot of good news in the tape this week. Upcoming this next week, we have about a third of the Russell 2000. So this is going to be 400, 500, 600 smaller companies that are really struggling in the new environment we're in. So, that's going to be more of a challenge. We're likely going to hear more downbeat than upbeat in terms of what we've heard from large cap tech that for the most part has been knocking it out of the park. This week we heard from the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell, and when a journalist asked him about when he was thinking about raising rates, he said, we're not even thinking about raising rates, which cements rates to zero. And when you look at the Fed Funds futures contract out a couple of years, you've got an expectation at some point in 21, 22 for a negative Fed funds rate. So talking about anchoring investor expectations. So the Fed's going to be there for us. This is very bullish for our gold outlook. And as gold makes an all-time high this week, we're very, very bullish still about gold. This week, we expect Joe Biden to name his VP choice. There were some leaks out, potentially some pictures out on the internet this week. It looks like Kamala Harris is going to be the choice. When I reviewed all the candidates, Rice obviously very impressive. The dark horse here is Keisha Lance Bottoms, the mayor of Atlanta. And so that could be a surprise pick. But more than likely, it looks at this point in the betting markets, Kamala Harris is going to be named. But for me, the key thing here, because I do believe Vice President Biden has evidence of dementia in his behavior over the last year or so. And I doubt he's going to last a full term, never mind 2 terms. So this is a key pick. Whoever he picks is almost certainly going to be President of the United States and possibly before his first term expires. On the short side, given that we're going to hear from a lot of small cap stocks, and I don't think they're going to have a lot to say bullish about the next 6 to 12 months in their outlooks, I'm going to reiterate the short on the Russell 2000 by having a long position in the inverse ETF RWM. I think there's far more support for a green outcome and a Green New Deal under the Democrats than under President Trump. ICLN, Clean Technology ETF, gives you exposure to technology, semiconductors, electric utilities, and I think as part of the battery demand that we're going to see from autos, so electric utilities, and then of course the technology equipment manufacturers that play in the clean energy space. So bull pick of the week, ICLN. Go look at a 10, 12-year picture. You've got a massive multi-year base that we're breaking out of there. Very, very exciting chart pattern. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow the alerts so you know when our new content is up on the board. Have a great week, everyone, and stay safe and healthy.